Have you ever stared at a room in your house and thought, this could be so much more, but you just don't know where to start? What if I told you that the future of home design isn't just in the hands of expensive architects or interior designers, but right at your fingertips, powered by something you might already use every day, artificial intelligence? Welcome to the revolution that's changing homes, one algorithm at a time. Imagine this: you've just bought a classic, but slightly dated, property. It has great bones, but the layout is awkward, the colors are from a bygone era, and it just doesn't feel like *U**. The traditional route, months of consultations, mood boards, and budget-breaking revisions. The new route we're about to show you, we fed an advanced AI the blueprints of a standard 3-bedroom house, along with a simple prompt: design a futuristic, functional, and eco-friendly family home, maximizing natural light and creating a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. What happened next was nothing short of magic. In less time than it takes to brew a pot of coffee, the AI didn't just suggest a new floor plan, it generated dozens of them. It analyzed the sun's path throughout the day to position windows for optimal light, suggested knocking down a non-structural wall to create an open-plan living area, and even designed a multifunctional office nook that could be hidden away after work hours. This isn't just about moving walls on a screen. It's about intelligent spatial optimization, something that used to take teams of experts weeks to perfect. Let's step inside this virtual home. The first thing you'll notice is the color palette. We asked the AI for a scheme that was calm, modern, and inspired by nature. It didn't just give us beige or gray, it created a harmonious palette of soft sage green, warm oak tones, and deep charcoal accents, even specifying the exact paint codes for a perfect match. It explained its choices, noting how the green promotes tranquility while the charcoal adds depth and sophistication. The AI even generated photorealistic renders of each room, showing how the colors would look in different lighting conditions, from the bright morning sun to the soft glow of evening lamps. Now, let's talk about the heart of the home, the kitchen. Our prompt was a chef's kitchen that's also the social hub of the house. The AI's design is incredible. It features a central island with an integrated induction hob and downdraft extractor, keeping the sightlines clear. The cabinets are handleless for a sleek, minimalist look, and the layout follows the classic work triangle for maximum efficiency. But here's the futuristic part: the AI integrated smart appliances that communicate with each other. The fridge suggests recipes based on the ingredients inside, and the oven preheats automatically. It even designed custom storage solutions, creating perfectly sized drawers for every pot, pan, and utensil based on a standard inventory list we provided. It's a space that's as beautiful as it is brilliant. Moving into the living area, we witnessed the true power of AI in furniture design. We tasked it with creating a sofa that was modular, comfortable for a family of 4, and made from sustainable materials. What it produced wasn't something you could find in a catalog. It designed a unique, curving sectional that can be reconfigured into multiple layouts, perfect for movie nights or hosting guests. The AI specified the materials: a frame made from reclaimed wood and upholstery from recycled fabrics. It even generated the detailed schematics a furniture maker would need to build it. This is bespoke design, democratized. You're no longer limited by what's in the store. Your only limit is your imagination. One of the biggest challenges in any renovation is the bathroom. They're often small, awkward spaces. We gave the AI the dimensions of a compact bathroom and asked it to make it feel like a spa-like sanctuary. It responded with genius solutions. It suggested a wall-hung toilet and vanity to create a sense of spaciousness by freeing up floor area. It chose large format tiles with minimal grout lines to make the room feel bigger and easier to clean. The standout feature: a wet room concept with a curbless shower, creating a seamless, accessible design. The AI also incorporated smart features like a mirror with adjustable lighting and anti-fog technology, and a shower that can be programmed to your preferred temperature. But what about the exterior and the connection to the outdoors? The AI didn't stop at the front door. It analyzed the property's orientation and designed a stunning deck that flows directly from the living area through floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors. This blurs the line between inside and out, effectively doubling the living space in warmer months. It even populated the garden with a selection of native, low-maintenance plants that would thrive in the local climate, promoting biodiversity and reducing water usage. It's a holistic approach to design that considers the home and its environment as one. So, how is this all possible? These AI models are trained on vast datasets of architectural plans, interior design images, and product specifications. They learn the principles of good design balance, proportion, light, and flow, and can then apply these principles to new problems. They can generate ideas, solve complex spatial puzzles, and visualize outcomes with incredible speed and accuracy. This technology isn't here to replace human designers. It's here to empower them and you. Think of it as the ultimate creative partner. An architect can use AI to rapidly explore dozens of structural concepts for a client. An interior designer can generate endless mood boards and 3D visualizations in minutes, giving their clients a crystal clear vision of the final result. And for the home renovator, it means you can experiment with layouts, colors, and furniture for your own space, making informed decisions before you ever pick up a hammer. It reduces costly mistakes and removes the guesswork from the design process. We are standing at the dawn of a new era in home creation. What we've shown you today is just the beginning. Imagine a future where your smart home doesn't just respond to your commands, but anticipates your needs, subtly adjusting lighting and temperature based on your habits. Imagine being able to walk through a complete, photorealistic virtual model of your renovated home before a single wall is touched. This isn't science fiction, it's the tangible future of home renovation, and it's more accessible than you think. Technology is giving us the tools to not just build houses, but to craft personalized environments that truly enhance our lives. The dream home is no longer just a dream, it's a data point away. Thank you so much for joining us on this glimpse into the future. If you're as excited as we are about the intersection of technology and design, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that explores the innovations shaping our world. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Would you let an AI design your home? Until next time, keep dreaming and keep building.